A million-year-old mammoth tooth still carries whispers of the tiny microbes that shared its world. And this is where it gets controversial. What if those ancient microbes can tell us as much about extinct life as the mammoth itself? Researchers from the Center for Palaeogenetics, in a collaboration between Stockholm University and the Swedish Museum of Natural History, have turned that idea into a reality. In a study published in Cell, they recovered microbial DNA, preserved in the remains of both woolly mammoths and steppe mammoths, with some specimens dating back more than 1 million years. The team examined microbial DNA from 483 mammoth samples, sequencing 440 of them for the first time. Among the material was a steppe mammoth that roamed the earth about 1.1 million years ago. By applying advanced genomic and bioinformatic methods, the scientists could separate microbes that lived in association with living mammoths from those that invaded the remains after death, helping distinguish true host-associated microbes from post-mortem contaminants. Guéné explained that these results push the study of ancient microbial DNA beyond the 1 million year mark, opening up new possibilities to explore how host-associated microbes evolved in parallel with their hosts. 6 microbial groups showed a consistent association with mammoths, including relatives of Actinobacillus, Pasteurella, Streptococcus, and Erysipelathrix. Notably, one Pasteurella-related bacterium closely resembles a pathogen that still triggers fatal outbreaks in African elephants. Since African and Asian elephants are the closest living relatives of mammoths, this finding raises the possibility that mammoths could have faced similar infections. The researchers reconstructed partial genomes of Erysipelathrix from the 1.1-million-year-old steppe mammoth, marking the oldest host-associated microbial DNA recovered to date, and pushing the boundaries of what ancient DNA can reveal about the relationships between extinct animals and their microbiomes. As senior author Dr. Tom van der Valk of the Center for Palaeogenetics put it, microbes evolve quickly. So obtaining reliable DNA data across more than 1 million years felt like following a trail that kept rewriting itself. In a press release, he added that the work shows ancient remains can provide biological insights far beyond the host genome, offering perspectives on how microbes shaped adaptation, disease, and even extinction in Pleistocene ecosystems. This glimpse into the microbial worlds of extinct megafauna comes with challenges, including degraded DNA and limited reference data. Yet the study suggests that some microbial lineages persisted alongside mammoths for hundreds of thousands of years, spanning wide geographic ranges and long evolutionary timescales. From more than 1 million years ago to the final days of woolly mammoths on Wrangel Island, about 4,000 years ago. Love Delaine, a professor of evolutionary genomics at the Center for Palaeogenetics, concluded that this work opens a new chapter in understanding the biology of extinct species. Not only can we study the genomes of mammoths themselves, but we can also begin to explore the microbial communities that lived inside them. Reference: Guéné et al. Ancient Host-Associated Microbes Obtained from Mammoth Remains. Cell. 2025. DOI 10.1016/J/Cell 2025/0030. Note: this article reworks a Stockholm University press release and has been edited for length and content. Think about this. If microbes mattered as much as the mammoth to its survival, what does that imply about how we interpret ancient life and disease dynamics? Do you think ancient microbes could have influenced extinction trajectories? Or were these simply passengers in the story? Share your thoughts in the comments.